Hi everyone, Gagajoy's cooking, and today we're having sausage, potatoes, and peppers. It's a quick meal. I've got my oven set on 400. When you come home, you can use the little round potatoes, but I just quartered 4 potatoes and put them in there. And I'm using kielbasa, but you can use any sausage you want to. Kielbasa is the one I had on hand, and usually do have it on hand, because we always find something to use kielbasa for. Just cutting it up, and we need onions, peppers, potatoes. You put them in your pan. You could stick them in the oven and go finish up for the day. Come back and you got a full meal. Well, I add another vegetable. Okay. Got that cut up. Almost. And I've got a couple of little hot rocks here I'm going to throw in there. I had 2 in a package, and I thought, well, it's time to get rid of it. Okay. Plus, these are a little bit hotter, and some people like things a little hotter, so this will satisfy their needs too. I'm using a purple onion, just because it's colorful. And you can put plenty of onion in it. You can put any other kind of vegetable that you want to. I've got yellow peppers, and about 3 from my garden. They're gone. And I think this is my lace pepper. Cutting them different today, just for the heck of it. Okay. And I'm going to put a few of these kind of peppers in it. Do the jar, because they add a little bit to anything, and they're not real hot. I like them with pizza. So I'm going to put about 6 or 8 in it. Okay. And the next thing we're going to do is add olive oil. I'm going to go with about 2 tablespoons for. Now let's coat them all. You put this in the oven for 30 minutes, and you've got a good meal. It is good. Now I put parchment in my paper, so let's just spread them out a little bit. I'll do it this way, or I'll be here all day. I think I put a little bit more than 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Maybe not. It'll all come out in the wash. That one's got a different kind of lid on it than my other one does. Okay. It does look nice. Okay. Now let's put a little bit of salt and pepper on it. Not a whole lot. Once you get them, you'll probably want to put a little bit more. Now in about 15 minutes, I'm going to check this and turn them over probably. Because 400-degree oven sort of gets you good on the bottom, so we'll see how that goes. Well, our supper is ready. Everything is, and it did take 30 minutes. That was all. I doubt it sometimes, but it did. Everything is just perfect. Well, maybe that one got a little done. Like I said, love these peppers. And the kielbasa. Let's taste it. Oh, it's good. It's got good flavor to it too. It's hot. Better wait. Put a little sprinkling of chives over it. And we got pepper. It was easy. Excuse me. And everybody's going to love it. Well, I hope you try it. You could put different kinds of kielbasa or sausage or anything like that. But I will try this again because I thought this was so quick and so easy. It falls into my timing. Anyway, it's been a good day, and I've enjoyed doing this. Take your time doing it, and remember the joy. Things don't look so good sometimes, but we can always find something to be happy about during the day. God blesses us all. Take care of yourself. See you soon.